Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is the channel. So today I have a Glossybox. I do not subscribe to Glossybox. I don't know why, because with all these discount codes going around, you can get this box for what, like $18 or $19? And they've really stepped up their game in what they have been adding to their boxes. I got this like maybe a year or two ago, and it has about 5 or 6 sample size products. They put a nice book in there, but the products, you know, again, were sample size, and I really didn't need sample size products. And the box was probably about $19 or $20 back then as well, but I would just kind of lose the sample size products in everything that I had. But I've been watching videos and they've got some really good stuff, and they have some like full size products in there. So before I get into the box, I just want to welcome any new subscribers and any of my returning subscribers. Thank you. So my makeup look today is my Matchbox. Unboxed it. It was from a YouTuber, Karen and MUA, and I will leave the video link. She is a YouTuber and she started her own makeup subscription box. So I used, it was the Physicians Formula foundation, and she included a blush and a highlighter. I think it's a little too peachy for me, but I did use it, and I used the lip oil. It goes on just like a plain, simple lip oil, and it turns colors. So I've been wearing this for a few hours, and it's turned this nice color, and I really am liking it. And then I used, she had a color pop in there. And of course, I don't know how to wear makeup. So I just kind of did my best. I haven't gone to eyeliner yet because of my eye surgery. So I just put on the 3 shades of the color pop, and it's a little dark. As I said, I'm not a professional. I didn't use like professional brushes. I just used brushes that I had, and it probably would look so much better with some eyeliner and lashes, but I just wanted to try it out. So that's the look I'm wearing today. So not to get off topic, and this is a limited edition box, and because I paid $35, because I'm not a regular subscriber to the box, but I thought it was worth it. Everybody had posted it in their upcoming videos, so I wanted to make sure that I got in on this great deal. And they know they package their boxes super, super nice. So this is what the packaging looked like. And on the top, it says female founded, a collection founded by women, curated by women for women. And I think Glossybox, maybe a sister company of Look Fantastic. So a lot of the products could be the same, and Look Fantastic does have limited edition boxes. So even if you're not looking for a subscription, both these boxes have great limited editions. You pay a little bit more if you're not a subscriber, but they do have great limited edition, and they do make great gifts. So getting into the box, there is the pamphlet that is just as nice as the box, with, I believe, everything that is in here, so I don't want to cheat. And if I remember, it was a Barbie kind of deal going on. So, but look at all those goodies that are in there. And again, I paid $35 opposed to the $30 that most of the subscribers paid. And the first thing that is in here is Bloom and Blossom. And this is, sorry to get my cheaters going here. And this is a Hands Up Age Defying Hand Cream. So this is obviously a sample size, but great for throwing in the purse. And Peel Great, Be Great hair, skin, and nails. More than just a brand, it's a lifestyle founded on philosophy that when you feel great, you are great. And these are Veggie Gummies, are conveniently packaged in our signature to-go packets. So I'm not sure. They're vitamins for your hair, skin, and nails. And this one's a multivitamin, and the other one was a hair, skin, and nails. And the other one's all packaged up, so I'm not sure what it's for. But I would definitely use that one. And then we have, looks like it's trying to escape the box. It's a cute little box. And let's see what's in here. It's Deco Nail. So it must be some type of either nail polish or a cuticle oil. I'm hoping it's a cuticle oil. I keep getting them and I love them, but this isn't one. This looks like it's a yellow. And I don't think I've ever used yellow nail polish. So this might have to move on along. So I'm not a yellow nail polish. And then this looks like a mascara. Wonderland by Ciate. Wonderland, and it's a mascara. So it's a good brand, and my daughter will be coming in, and I think she takes my mascaras. And I could have sworn this box had something to do with the Barbie palette, but I'm looking in here and I don't see anything related to Barbie. So, oh well, I was wrong. And the next item is going to require the cheaters. It's pure oil. Oh, okay. It's pure fur or tour fur oil for pubic hair. Okay, I have to say I've never seen anything like that and not sure what to do with it, but obviously it speaks for itself. And then we got these. So these are always nice. You can never have too many of these. And I do get a lot of these, but when I go to look for them, I can never find them. And then we have the Smooth, and this is by Monday. And we have a shampoo and conditioner. I'm for frizzy and dull hair. So they obviously had my name when they made these because that is my hair. And then we have Daydreamer, your dream cleanser come true. Floral Street Sunflower Pop. Oh, it's a perfume. And I'm always happy to get a perfume. And look, I didn't even rip the box. Okay, I can't get it out of the box, but you know, I didn't rip it. So now I have to go to the other end of the box. And that's probably where I rip it. Wow. Look at that bottle. That is a really nice bottle. And I don't have any perfume on today. So, and I do have to go out. So let's put a little bit on. That smells good. Let's see what the notes are in here. I can't see. They do have the notes on here, but I can't read them. But it does smell good. And we have a few more items in the box. We have Grand Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper by Grand Cosmetics. This looks like it was open too. So that's what that looks like. And again, I do have that lip oil on, so I can try it. And then the last item in the box, Touchland Power Mist Hydrating Hand Sanitizer. So that's really nice. So just to recap, we got the lip plumper and that perfume that smells really nice, and the hand sanitizer. We have the cleanser. We have the shampoo and cream rinse, which I can't wait to try. We have a mascara. We have yellow nail polish. We have the lippy. Is that what that was? That was a, oh no, this was a hand cream or a lippy? It's a lippy. And then these vitamin packs, and I'm definitely gonna try those. And we have our little baubles. And this item, which doesn't need repeating. So what did you think of the box? It wasn't what I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was something else, but I'm not mad that I paid $35 for it, because there's a lot of, I love the perfume oil, so I'm not mad that I received it. And then again, it has the product card that has everything in the box. So let me know what your favorite item in the box. I'm gonna have to go with this perfume oil because it actually smells like the summer going into fall. It's kind of got that smell to it. So that would be my favorite item, and I know you can't smell it. And my second would be the shampoo and conditioner, even though I haven't tried it yet, but it's going for the frizzy dry dull hair. So let me know what your favorite item is. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that like button, and I'll see you on the next video.